The BTF motherboard standard is currently a trend and is expected to develop strongly in the future. Corsair is one of the leading companies pioneering the design of a suitable case for BTF standard motherboards with the 6500X model. Today, Modding Cafe will build a combo featuring the Corsair 6500X, the TUF Z790 BTF Wi-Fi motherboard with a block developed by Modding Cafe. Additionally, this will serve as a tutorial video for self-assembly with some accessories that can be purchased or requested from Modding Cafe. The Corsair 6500X has a lot of space at the back. So Modding Cafe designed a pump plus tank, aka reservoir, that easily integrates with the back of the block. The standard power supply mounting position is blocking the back of the block a bit. So we added a plate to shift the position of the PSU. We need a 360 millimeter radiator, and this is 4 standoffs with a height of 40 millimeter, which will help hide all fittings at the back. For fittings, we're going to use 3 90-degree connectors with the model BPE90RML, 3 90-degree connectors with the model BPE90BML, 1 connector with the model BPEML, and 1 extender connector with the model BPWTP-C95. For the tubing, you can use metal or clear tubes and cut them to the following lengths. 2 long tubes, 160 millimeter and 192 millimeters, respectively. 2 tubes, 93 millimeter and 59 millimeter. Finally, 1 tube, 43 millimeter long. Depending on the motherboard and radiator model, you can adjust the length of the tubes as needed. And that's it. You can see the front side look very neat and clean. Perfect minimalist aesthetic. Then I packed it up and sent it to my client, which is a local computer store, and then they will continue assembling the remaining parts and then deliver the finished PC to the customer. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.